Mom, can I help set the table for dinner?
Of course, baby. Can you get the plates from the cupboard?
How many plates do we need?
Let's see, one for you, one for me, and one for Dad. That's 3.
Okay, I will get them. What about the chopsticks?
The chopsticks are in the drawer next to the stove. Get 3 pairs, please.
Got it. And the glasses?
The glasses are on the counter, next to the sink. We need 3 as well.
I will get them all. Is there anything else?
No, that's it for now. Thanks for your help, baby.
Can I help you with the vegetables?
Sure, baby. Can you grab the carrots for me?
Okay. Where are they?
They are in the fridge, in the vegetable drawer.
Got them. Now what do I do?
Just put them in the sink and rinse them under the water.
What's for dinner tonight?
We're having fried rice and soup. Do you like that?
Yes, I love fried rice. Can I have some soup first?
Sure. Here's your bowl. Be careful. It's hot.
Thank you, Mom. This soup is delicious.